So this weekend's been a lot of fun. Technical difficulties all over the place. Windows update. You get everything ready and Windows wants to update on you. And then obviously I'm doing audio in the Audacity program that I use to do my audio. Decided to cut out and only record half the audio. Anyway, just wanted to get back to you guys and talk about the studio, how it's coming, and it's getting a lot better. We're getting closer to my envisioned goal, as you can see. There are still a couple issues that I'm trying to tweak, right? So the background, in my opinion, is too hot. I'm trying to turn it down a little bit. I want a little bit more contrast. I have a bunch of photography softboxes that I've been using to light my face, which is great. I have no grids. That's not true. I have a couple grids, but they don't work for this purpose. So I went ahead and I ordered Amaran's. It's like a square softbox, but the important thing is it has a grid. And I hear good things about it being used for video. So I'm hoping that it's gonna cut some of the light that's hitting the background. We'll see how it goes. I was thinking about flagging some stuff in studio to try to block some of this light that's coming from up here from hitting that background. But I have a lot of stuff. This whole configuration there's a lot of stuff going on. So I don't know if I want to add more flags and more things in place until I can verify that the grid is going to do what it's supposed to do. And we'll see how it goes. So currently using the Westcott collapsible beauty dish. I use it all the time outdoors for my run and gun portrait shooting. And I decided I like it best in studio right now for the videos that I'm producing. So we'll see how it goes. So yeah, studio's coming along. We're not quite done. So stay tuned. I'm going to talk about the mistakes I've made. So obviously I keep looking at Audacity because I'm afraid it's going to cut out on me. One of the mistakes I made clearly was not having the exact gear that I wanted to set up this studio shot. That's going to change.